Hello and welcome back to my skyblock world. Today I found and build and worked for the food and get more levels. So let's get started. So first I went to my XP farm to show you what I got after killing mobs. And here what I got. I got 6 pieces of iron. And the important thing is the potato and carrot. If I made a farm, I don't need to worry about the food. After getting some wood, now let's get start building. I don't like phantoms. So finally, after 15 minutes of building, we finished the first farm. And here is my first carrot. And here is the first wheat seeds. Make it grow faster with the bone meal. Put a slab on the ladder, because the potato keep falling into the void. So now I'll go to work at the second farm. So there it is, I plant inside it some carrots and wheat seeds. So now I gonna make a barn for the animals. They will be so helpful. And I can get a leathers from the cows. So let's start building. So now I gonna make a bridge to move safely. So I want to put some decoration on my start island. Now it looks better. So when I was going to the XP farm, I found that on my way. I found some cows, they will help a lot. I tried to take them to my barn, but they are so stupid. And there it is, my first cow in this world. I got a stone cutter, now I can get a walls and slabs. With only one block. I got some walls to the decoration. Not bad. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video.